Welcome to Spoken English course, your first step toward confident, practical English. In this lesson, you'll learn how one idea can grow from a short sentence to a fluent expression. From A1 to A2, we'll guide you through real life sentence pairs that build your voice, your rhythm, and your confidence.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am tired because I practiced today.
I am tired because I practiced today.
She is happy.
She is happy.
She feels happy with her new jacket.
She feels happy with her new jacket.
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
I eat bread every morning.
I eat bread every morning.
He is my neighbor.
He is my neighbor.
He is my best neighbor from the block.
He is my best neighbor from the block.
I go to college.
I go to college.
I go to college every day.
I go to college every day.
I like painting.
I like painting.
I like painting landscape in the evening.
I like painting landscape in the evening.
I have a camera.
I have a camera.
I have a new camera from my cousin.
I have a new camera from my cousin.
We are late.
We are late.
We are late for the workshop.
We are late for the workshop.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I drink cold juice after breakfast.
I drink cold juice after breakfast.
They play cricket.
They play cricket.
They play cricket every Sunday.
They play cricket every Sunday.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry because I missed the dinner.
I am hungry because I missed the dinner.
She reads a magazine. She reads a magazine.
She reads a magazine.
She reads a magazine before sleep.
She reads a magazine before sleep.
I live in Mara.
I live in Mara.
I live in Mara with my parents.
I live in Mara with my parents.
He works here.
He works here.
He works here during weekdays.
He works here during weekdays.
I walk home.
I walk home.
I walk home when the stars appear.
I walk home when the stars appear.
We are ready.
We are ready.
We are ready to begin the session.
We are ready to begin the session.
I see the cat.
I see the cat. I see the cat by the tree.
She sings softly.
She sings softly.
She sings softly in the afternoon.
She sings softly in the afternoon.
I write my address.
I write my address.
I write my address on the form.
I write my address on the form.
They sit down.
They sit down.
They sit down when the coach entered.
They sit down when the coach entered.
I am cold.
I am cold.
I feel cold this evening.
I feel cold this evening.